Breaking news, the Jamaica Observer has today announced that Portmore will be getting a brand new development in October 2022. But before we jump into the details, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today and made 20k possible. We're officially on the road to 25k, but enough of the chattings. I'm not ready for the video. When ready? Run me intro. Work is underway to have the Carivia General Hospital at Coxenpen in Brayton completed and open its doors in October 2022. Let's stop right there. I know you guys are thinking, what does this have to do with real estate? Or for my foreign viewers, what does this hospital have to do with real estate? And I would say that that is a very good question, and one I will try to answer for you. I am not an expert, but I can do basic math well, and I know that when you put 2 and 2 together, you get 4. But before we talk about that, before I answer that question for you, let me tell you a little bit more about the hospital first, alright? So let's get into it. It is a $2 billion project. I said $2 billion project, which boasts 23 private beds, 6 of which will be high dependency units. It will also have 3 operating theaters, a full radiology suite, a 24-hour accident and emergency department, a pharmacy, as well as consultation rooms for various medical and surgical specialities. The only caveat I see at present is the facility is subject to approval from the Ministry of from the Ministry of Health and Wellness. However, I do not foresee this being an issue, as the current government is pushing to have Portmore be the 15th parish in Jamaica, and as such, a hospital is a must. Alright, so now that you know that the government is pushing for Portmore to be the 15th parish of Jamaica, and you see them laying down infrastructure and superstructure, overall just developing the area itself and welcoming new and seasoned businesses to the area, such as Sovereign Village, Sunshine Mall, who have built out a hub for your daily necessities, not to mention the ever so popular Price Mart that is right next door. A lot of gas stations are in Portmore as well. Express Fitness is also present. Palace Amusement is there with its movie theaters. There's also a very efficient tax office, and Fontana and Starbucks are on their way over there as well. Excuse me. Not to mention the multitude of businesses that I don't know about as yet, and even Jamaican staples that have been there for a while, like Popeyes, Big Up Popeyes, Little Caesars, Burger King, and multiple KFC locations, Juicy Patties, Tasties, you name it. And there are attractions there as well, over 5 beaches to choose from, a skating rink, you have paintball, mini golf, and go-karting in one location. Chelsea, big up yourself, Chelsea Lou, coming over there to do the mini golfing pretty soon. Recorded for the channel so you guys can see what that's all about. We see where Portmore is ripe for the living people. And if it's one thing that I know for a fact, where you have a high demand, more specifically, more and more people will want to live in Portmore because of the development and low supply. There will never be enough houses to meet the demand of how many people have a need for new housing so close to the corporate area or the main area of work in Jamaica, which is Kingston. And if you don't know where Portmore is located, Portmore is the westerly neighbor of Kingston. And I know for a fact that within the next 3 to 5 years, there are more than 5 brand new gated housing developments that are either currently under construction or will be developed. And that's just the ones I know of. Speaking of which, I know everyone who has watched or listened to this point is wondering what those housing developments are. If this video gets 500 likes, yes, I said it, 500 likes for the over 5 brand new housing developments I have knowledge of within the first week of this video being posted, I will do a roundup video on every new development I know about coming in Portmore. Alright, So 500 likes and you get a roundup of all the new developments. And I know that's information you guys want without a shadow of a doubt. Anyway, I say all of this to say the current prices for houses in Portmore will not stay as such for much longer. The average price in Kingston at present will be the norm in Portmore in a few years. So if you can buy in now, buy in now. P.S. I am not a realtor. Let me also state I am not a financial advisor. As such, please consult the appropriate personnel for qualified advice. Let me say that again. I am not a realtor, or am I a financial advisor? I'm not qualified to give you any advice. All of this which I'm saying is just me looking at the situation at the current market and giving you my perspective on what I think will happen. I'm just giving you my opinion, what I think when we add 2 plus 2 together, and typically 2 plus 2 equal 4. What do I know anyway? I failed math twice in high school and eventually passed it the third time. But thank you guys so much for watching. I want you guys to sound off in the comments and let me know what you think of this style of video, this informational style where I see a particular trend and I try to dive a bit deeper into it. Because I see the hospital and I'm saying, there's a lot of development happening in Portmore. They're putting the hospital there. They're trying to make Portmore the 15th parish of Jamaica. All of this coming together, you can hypothesize that Portmore within a few years will be somewhere that is highly sought after. And anywhere that is highly sought after, you know that come with big bucks, similar to Kingston. Kingston is somewhere that is highly sought after, and you see that the prices in Kingston are astronomical. Now, imagine when the prices in Portmore become the norm of the current prices in Kingston. Can you imagine what the Kingston prices will be? Astronomical. I need a future ad lib to put in right now so you guys get the full essence of what I'm saying. But again, guys, you can leave your comments down below what you think of my hypothesis. Are you agreeing with me? Do you think I am off my rocker? I know what I talk about. As I did state, I'm not a professional, so I may be wrong here. But thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to like this video, to smash the subscribe button, and to turn your post notifications on. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.